This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Now, the certificate was obtained by the candidate more than 1700 candidates much prior to that. Not that they received the or obtained the certificate in the year 2026. This is not true. They had the certificate with them. On the date of interview, they produced.
Are you sure? Because the private respondent says that all certificates were issued after the closing date of the application.
Yes. That's my certificate. Can you see my certificate?
So after
Madam,
He
can you
says-
see? Madam, can you see only one thing I'd like to show?
No, one minute. GP sir, you please produce the relevant memos and the circulars, whatever, relating to issuance of EWS certificate.
that is
The period, what is the circular rule that you follow? Because DOPT has been produced.
On the date of on the closing date of application and not on the date of interview. Between if the candidate procures a certificate.
Forget that. In general, not relating to this matter. EWS certificates are issued for which year, valid for which year? What is the principle that you follow? Please bring. All right. So that we can understand whether there is any error in the advertisement itself or not. You say in the advertisement at page 15 that the certificate will be issued by the competent authority valid for the year 23-24 or onwards. Issued for the financial year 22-23 or onwards. And then comes
page
page
57.
57, which says that the it should be valid. The validity period of the certificate will be 23 and 24 and onwards.
Yes.
No, but then page 57 is in line with page 15. Is in line. There is no difference.
There's no difference. That is what I'm trying to show your lordship.
No, I do not think there is any difference, but I just want to know how can a certificate which is issued in January 2026 on the date of the interview which you are accepting can be valid for the can be issued for the financial year 22-23. Back date. It should not be done.
No, my lord. That is not the case. Kindly see page 25.
1 minute.
Kindly see page 25.
Let the court also try to understand and let the GP also try to make it clear. The advertisement is very clear. It should be issued for the financial year 22-23.
Or onwards. Thereafter again.
Year is starting from a particular date, ending on a particular date. It's a specified year.
How can it be issued after 2 years?
Exactly. Absolutely. How can this be issued after 2 years? What is the system that you follow?
That is a different
Because-
department also.
Crucial.
Yes.
That's a different-
Because why I put this question to you? Because you have referred to pages 48 and 50, another honorable court. That was the reason what I can understand. Even I had cases when SSC matters were going on that applications were made prior. The certificates are issued long after. And the candidate should not suffer for this.
Take instruction to that effect, but this should be properly answered by my lord. Because
They cannot. How will they answer?
Now, my lord,
Madam,
When
here-
did you apply and when did you get the certificate?
that is I'm produced.
You have produced. Please show when did you apply and when did you
But
get.
that is I've just handed over to your lordship.
Oh, this one.
Yes.
When was the application made?
It was issued on 4th of October 2020.
No, this is issued on 29th of October.
29th of
22.
October.
29th of October 2024. When did you apply?
That I can't say.
I want to know when did you
I
apply.
come. But only one thing,
That
kindly
means
subject
you
to your lordship.
make application even after the closing period of the
that is the lordship, the given permission is given by the recruitment notification itself.
Right.
Kindly see page 30.
Now, another thing I would like to know whether the recruitment notice is hit by whatever is mentioned by the Honorable Supreme Court in Gaurav Singh, in Divya, and the DOPT is issued by the Union of India.
Even the notification says at the time of interview, I have the authority, I have the option.
Whether that notification can be said to be valid in the eye of law.
But that, well, kindly see, that can be challenged by a person who is failed all along.
All right, doesn't matter. It has come to the court.
That's true. There's a court of equity. I know.
Now, Lord,
But kindly
another
see only page
instruction,
33.
another
I only
instruction.
think that's the
Kindly sees the bona fide of the petitioners. We have challenged that particular notification prior to the participation in the interview. We have participated in
Not
the interview.
Prior to sitting in the examination.
Yes, prior to sitting in the examination. Subsequently interview, we have participated, and the learned
Kumar.
GP is not instructed. They have published the results also.
No.
They have published the results.
No.
I want to know that this was published in 5th of March 2024.
5th of
Yes.
March, recruitment notice.
Recruitment notice.
Yes.
You knew.
Challenges,
You
challenges, the subsequent, page 57.
It
Page
is the same
57,
thing.
page 57 is totally contrary.
No.
Kindly
Show me.
compares,
How is it?
kindly compares.
Yes, please show.
Issued by the competent authority, valid for the year 2023-24 or onwards, full stop, would have been okay. It continues.
Page 57, you are reading?
No, 15. Acha, okay, I'll come to page 57. Yes, kindly keeps page 57 open.
Yes, 57 and 15, we read it parallelly.
Yes. 15 is,
15 is,
it goes on to say, issued for financial year 2022
no,
and
prior
23
there,
onwards.
prior there,
Yes,
issued
that is
by
why
the competent authority valid. So the validity period has
For
to be
2023-2024
or
or
on
onward, within bracket,
within bracket issued for the financial year
2022,
2022 or
2023
onwards.
or onwards. So, it will be taking to 2024.
Yes. Your,
Kindly now sees page 57,
yes.
only 2023, 2024 or on.
Yes, it's valid for the year. Valid for the year. It is also mentioned just the line.
This is 2023, 2024 or onwards takes us to 2026. But the notification, recruitment notification would be, my lord, expiring its scope in 2024. Be
No.
closing at 2024.
Where from? It doesn't say so.
It
It is
is-
your interpretation.
My lord, kindly sees here 2023, 2024 or onwards.
1 minute.
issued-
Valid for the year. Issued by the competent authority valid. So the validity period should be 2023, 24 or onwards.
Issued for the financial year 2022, 2023 or onwards. So 2022, 2023 or
We
onwards
do
would
not
be,
go to the issuance. Suppose we do not go to the issuance
had it
part.
been full stop here, then I don't have a case.
Assuming we do not go to the issuance part, whenever it is issued.
Hmm.
26, as has been said by the
Yes.
GP, it has been issued in 26. But the validity period should be for the year 23-24 or onwards. And now
Yes.
what does this mean?
If that be so,
And this is the
22,
same thing.
23 or onward means it has to be remitted in 2024 or the last
That's
day.
your interpretation.
That is also the Supreme Court.
Yes,
Crucial
that
date.
the
Crucial date.
GP will
Crucial date.
answer.
Crucial date.
That the GP will answer, but I do not see much difference between 15 and 57.
Crucial date, because otherwise, well, the object is
Validity
not
period.
achieved.
Validity period is 2020 through 24 onwards, 23, 24 onwards.
Otherwise, well, the
Here also 23, 24 validity periods and
onwards, quote unquote, issued
it is onwards.
for the
right.
financial year.
How can the income certificate which is valid for the year 23, 24
Or onwards,
or onwards be
issued for
from
financial year 2023, 2024.
But kindly see now page 25. Kindly see page 25. My lord, III.
Yes.
Why I am submitting? But candidates qualify for interview must submit their caste certificate, caste or caste category certificate to change his her category from unreserved TWS. Even I appeared as an unreserved candidate at the time of interview. I have been given authority to change my lordship the category.
This is absolutely contrary to what the Supreme Court has
crucial.
laid.
But that is not challenged before your lordship.
This
They have accepted. They have appeared.
it can be taken that this has been done to give benefit to a particular set of candidates. Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Not only EWS in every cases, SC, ST, OBC,
So that's
exempted.
the crucial.
They know on the first
Good,
day
bad,
itself.
indifferent, any certificate which a candidate is having prior to the date of closing is valid. That is the only interpretation that can be done.
What the state has done is
Ad
absolutely
infinitum.
contrary. Absolutely contrary to the law laid down by the Supreme Court.
What will say? This is the reason. That is why we appeared and we have selected up to the interview. And they knows very well in the first date.
And the matter is going to go up to the Supreme Court and the all recruitment processes. All the candidates, their life gets jeopardized.
In any case, this recruitment process is difficult. Subsequent matters are also there, I'll show.
Oh, shit.
That I do not
That's a
know.
different point.
That I do not know.
It's a different point. That's a different.
Please come.
Sir, kindly add him as a party in the process.
I'll add you.
Then can one is also supporting us, my lord, kindly adds also.
So you can only look quick.
Can one has been filed by whom?
The supporting, he is the advocate.
Supporting means y'all are challenging
No.
the same thing.
We are supporting they are supporting us.
That means they are challenging the private respondents who want to be added.
Yes.
Candidate taking part in the selection process. Now they start giving up. This is
You are the state. You are the state. Right now, you are not for any private party. So you have to defend the state as to how the terms and conditions of the recruitment notice is in line with the Supreme Court directives and the DOPT circular issued by the Union of India.
Sarvashaktiman
Followed.
state.
No, it happens. You have this is the transition period. You have
Yes.
you have to
There's
give
a
some,
notification of 1923 issued by the government, state government also regarding EWS.
the petitioners.
Even the supporting candidates have secured more than marks of EWS.
তুমি বসো, তোমার তো নয়।
The petitioners
I'll
participated in a recruitment process pursuant to a recruitment notice, a recruitment process for the post of constables in West Bengal Police -2024 in response to a recruitment notice published by the West Bengal Police Recruitment Board on 5th of March 2024. The challenge in particular is with regard to reservation of the economically weaker section candidates. Stop. As per the recruitment notice, the candidates seeking reservation under EWS category comma, if shortlisted for interview, comma, must produce income and asset certificate issued by the competent authority, valid for the year 2023-2024 or onwards. Bracket open. Issued for the financial year 2022-2023 or onwards. Bracket close. During checking of testimonials on the date of interview. A notice was paragraph. A notice was published by the recruitment board on 20th January 2026 mentioned that the income and asset certificate for candidates belonging to EWS category must be valid for the year 2023-2024. Stuff. A corrigendum was issued by the board on the same date, that is 20th January 2026, mentioning that corrigendum notice can you please tell me which notice was issued earlier, 57 or 58?
58 was issued earlier. Thereafter changed to 57.
How do you know where from does it appear?
They have said so in their affidavit.
In their affidavit. But from looking at the notices, can you identify which
Copy-paste
was?
notice. No, nothing. Cannot be identified. They have admitted in their report. Report paragraph ta kotha bol.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ রিপোর্টে বলেছে দাঁড়াও প্যারাগ্রাফ
Paragraph erroneously এটা বলেছে.
and then and there withdraw
Notices were issued by the board on the same date. A notice, now two notices were issued by the board on 20th January 2026, wherein paragraph
Paragraph
E,
13.
small e,
It is
it has
further
been
clarified.
mentioned in one of the notices that income and asset certificate for candidates belongs to EWS within bracket EWS. না আগেরটা লিখবেন economically weaker section তারপর EWS. Valid for the year 2023-2024 or onwards. And in the other, paragraph 3 reads as income and asset certificate for candidates belongs to for economically weaker section within bracket EWS, valid for the year 2023-2024. Stop paragraph. Specific case made out by the petitioners is that আচ্ছা petitioner বোধহয় একা আছে.
only one
Petitioner one. Petitioner is that the date for production of the reservation certificate should be a fixed one. Stop. The same would not remain open-ended. Stop. Within single quotes, crucial date is very important for the purpose of obtaining benefit under EWS category. Stop. In support of such submission, reliance has been made by the petitioner in the judgment delivered by the Honorable Supreme Court in the matter of Union Public Service Commission versus Gaurav Singh and others, reported in 2024 2 SCC 605, comma, Divya versus Union of India and others, 2024 1 SCC 448.
One thing, my lord.
Stop. Reliance has also been placed on the judgment delivered by this bench on 8th December 2025 in WPA 24256 of 2025, Can 1 of 2025. Komalakanto Maiti and others versus State of West Bengal and others. Where is the DOPT circular you showed me?
That is in the exception.
Acha.
But one, my lord, may I take a opposition to the can, my lord? Because
Wait,
it is not
one
been-
minute, 1 minute, just wait. Acha. The frequently asked questions on reservation to EWS in posts under the central government answered by the Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Department of Personnel and Training, Government of India, dated 19th September 2022, annexed to the exception filed by the petitioner to the report filed by the state in support of the crucial date for income and asset certificate has also been relied upon. Stop. Submission is that the recruiting authority ought not to rely upon any certificate which has been issued after the last date of submission of the application seeking recruitment. ঠিক আছে? আর একদম উপরে লিখবেন তো, report in the form of affidavit on behalf of the state respondents and the exception thereto filed by the petitioner filed in court be written with the records. Acha, an application seeking addition of party, which is the supporting one, can one?
Supporting can.
Can one, has been filed by applicants who are supporting the stand of the petitioner. Stop. Can 2 has been filed seeking addition of party opposing the stand of the petitioner. Stop. Paragraph. The applicants in can 2 rely upon financial certificates issued in their favor after the last date of submission of the application. Stop. According to the applicants, the recruitment notice permits filing of the certificates which have been issued in the year 2023-24 onwards. Stop. The applicants submit that the recruitment notice is not under challenge. Stop. The petitioners have approached this court long after they were declared unsuccessful in the written examination and were ineligible to participate in the interview process. Stop. The
I have satisfied.
learned government pleader relies upon the report affirmed by the Deputy Superintendent of Police, bracket open administration and law, West Bengal Police Recruitment Board, and submits that the recruitment is being conducted strictly in accordance with the recruitment notice. Paragraph. Though the applicants opposing the stand of the petitioner have been heard, but formal order for their addition has not been passed till date. Stop. Paragraph. The writ petitioner intends to file an opposition to the application seeking addition of party. Stop.
Can
The for proper adjudication of the instant lists, comma, the petitioner is permitted to file an opposition to the application Can 2 of 2026
one week,
by
one
3rd of July. It will be open for the applicants to file an exception thereto by 10th July. Stop. The state respondents are directed to file a further report affirmed by an affidavit disclosing the circulars, comma, government orders, comma, rules and regulations followed by the state for the purpose of issuance of income and asset certificate in respect of an applicant. Stop. The report shall the learned government pleader shall address the court on the adjourned date as to whether the recruitment notice is in line with the law laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court in the matter of Divya within bracket Supra and Gaurav Singh within bracket Supra. Particularly with regard to the last date of consideration of the income and asset certificate. Whether the same, now whether the period for which the certificate is to be taken into consideration can be left open-ended, and whether any certificate issued after the crucial date can be taken into consideration for ascertaining the eligibility of a candidate seeking reservation on financial ground. Released for further consideration on 20th July 20.
kindly makes it part hard. Lordship is hard. Entirely. Given nearly 2 hours.
On principle, I do not keep matters part-hard. Why I tell you? Because
No one will object.
it is not a question of objecting. If you want the matter to be heard by this bench, I have passed a fairly detailed order. Seek a request for assignment so that it can be heard. Otherwise,
Uncertain times,
say-
my lord.
somebody will say the court has got personal interest, which the court simply doesn't have.
My lord, this is previously this was going on. Thereafter, my
That
lord,
is the reason it has been stopped. And I do
thereafter
not-
again revived.
Not revived.
There was a circular saying that moment the
It has-
determination changes, parthars would be released.
Yes.
Thereafter, it has again been brought back, saying that that will be onerous for the litigant public. So that, my lord,
But there is no order from the Chief Justice which permits the court to mark it as part-heard.
there is.
There is.
Show me.
There is.
So, if you can show me, then I can. Otherwise, because my officers have said, take the monthly list. Din to list ka?
Previously, that is an order of Supreme Court, and thereafter it has been.
Show me if there is some provision, then I can treat it as part-heard. Otherwise, no. এটা item 20 তে হবে। আচ্ছা, আর একটা জিনিস লিখুন তো।
I'll show the
The applicants in can 2 are directed to file an affidavit clearly indicating the dates on which applications were made for obtaining the certificate, income and asset certificate, and the dates on which the certificates were issued in their favor by the competent authority. Addition of party. I have passed an order.
Yes, ma'am.
File an affidavit disclosing the date when you made the application and the date when you got the
Certificate.
certificate.
Right.
Followed it.
Well, he's finding it out. Next matter.
Let
is
him find it out.
Yes.
I am here. Do not worry. In case you can show, then I can mark it as
And my lord,
part.
I have the
I'll-
judgment also. I'll come.
I'll show.
I'll come.
Not the judgment.
আরে আমার কাছে মোবাইল আছে
You, if you can show me,
দাঁড়াও না
if you can show me,
Yes.
not the judgment. With the judgment, you can seek assignment,
Oh.
but not marking as parted. It has to come from the chief.
And my lord, one, your lordship has recorded
Acha,
that
can't allow.
he didn't qualify.
Can one to allow? Can one is allowed? Can two allow হবে না? Let the opposition.
My lord,
decide.
lordship has recorded that we didn't qualify. Fact is, we qualified and our names are there. We have secured marks
That
over
is the applicants, not you personally. Should
I have also. I have also. I have also.
Chakraborty
Same,
also?
Yes, yes.
Acha, ঠিক
That
আছে.
is
Doesn't
why-
matter. It is his submission.
Yes, yes.
At the final hearing, we can always.
I will, my lord, point it out on the next day.
All right.
Let the order
Another-
comes thereafter.
another dispute will cropped up my lord regarding OBCA or OBCP.
Second.
That is
I'll
that
I'll
dispute
address
will-
that.
another
also.
set of writ petition will come.
Another set of writ petition is here next.
এটাকে এখানে একটু দেবেন
তুমি
তো।
করে দিয়েছো
এইটা ফেরত দিয়ে দিন। Applicants.
ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে।
বাঁদিকে yes. এটাকে রাখবেন। Yes.
Excellent.
Are you sure you'll not be required in other matters?
I shall come.
All right.
Yes, my lord. This is having regard to the ratio decision in the case of High Court on
This is 2013, 2012. Come after that.